Hey guys, Martin Rosica here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from in the world. Today we will do a quick video where we'll solve a lots of people problem with live videos on Facebook. A lot of people come to me and says, hey Martin, I'm really shy. I do not know how to do live. You know, I'm really shy in front of the camera. I don't want to do it. I said, relax, there is a way. You can train yourself. You can actually pre-record videos and then post them as they would be live. So for everybody watching Facebook, you will be live, but you can actually do 2-3 takes until you think it's good. It's very simple. It needs only one piece of software, which one is actually free, and it's super easy to do it. I'm gonna show you how, okay? So first what you guys will need is Broadcast Studio. So we'll do OBS Studio, open broadcaster. Okay, select which one you want, depend on your system. I have Windows, so we're gonna download the stuff for Windows. All right, we're gonna open it. Okay, yes. Next, we agree. Default is fine. Default is fine. Let it install it. Then close this page, and we're gonna open Facebook in the meantime when it's installing, because we will need Facebook open on our page. So I'm gonna open my Facebook account. In the meantime, there we go. All right, looks like we are done here. So we can launch it. Awesome. So now, sometimes it starts wizard and sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, you can go to Tool, Auto Configuration Wizard. You can select if you want to do recording, because the OBS Studio can do actually on-screen recording as well. But right now we want to do it only for streaming. So you're going to optimize it for streaming. Recording is secondary. So you do next. Here you can select your resolution. Here you can go full, what I have now, 1920, depend on your monitors. If you have a little bit slower computer, you can do 1280, 720 resolution. Perfectly fine. I'm gonna select that one. I can do, 1920, but I'm gonna select the 1280 so you can see it. And 30 frames per second, perfectly fine. Hit next. Okay, so here's streaming service. Service gonna be Facebook Live. There's lots of different things you guys can stream of. You can show off. It's a full page. You can do YouTube and everything. So there's a lot of potential for this piece of software. Here is a Streamkey, guys. Streamkey you will find here actually in your Facebook. Here you go, like you would start live video. But instead of camera, guys, click here and connect. And voila, here is your Streamkey. So you hit copy, show, and just rewrite the one that's there. It might not be none actually when you open it. Okay, estimate bitrate fine. So now what's gonna happen next is gonna run a quick test. Okay, to your Facebook page, just to make sure your resolution is set correct and it can actually broadcast, it can reach your page. As you can see, the test is running. One is not going line until you hit this button, so you're perfectly fine. Okay, we let it finish testing quickly. Almost there. You just go through all the different resolutions. Perfect. So we'll apply settings. And we are good to go. So now what we're going to do, guys, is gonna set up the scene and sources. You can select video directly, but what I like to do is actually start with a picture. So when I start live broadcasting, it quickly shows a picture what I want to do, and then it actually flips into the live mode. So just you can see it. We're gonna do picture. Okay, and we select the source for it. Okay, and it's gonna be image. Okay, I can just put images fine. Okay, we'll let you browse for it. Okay, I think I have some in the desktop here. I'm gonna try to broadcast actually ClickFunnels Awards from the Comm Club. Comm Club Awards. So I have the video. There you go. So I have a picture of the Comm Club Award here. You can use that. Okay, depending on the resolution, it might show up as smaller or bigger. So that's why you have this one. You can actually adjust it based on your resolution. Okay, we can center it. Perfect. Now a little bit more. There you go. Okay, so that's first setup. The second we're gonna do actually the video. And you don't have to put a picture, you can do the video straight away. Video 2cc. Okay. We select the source. And this one will be media source. Okay, we can put media source maybe there or name it whatever you want. Browse. We have, here is our live video. Okay, and you can see streaming. Now you can see it's much bigger actually than my resolution. I did it in purpose so I can see you actually, you can see the resizing. Okay, so you just resize it to your broadcast format, what you selected. Because I originally recorded this video in 1920, so that's why it's a little bit bigger actually than the format. There we go. Okay, so now we are perfect. So make sure here, because the sound will be coming from the pre-recorded video, guys. This one has its own mixer, so but you really don't need it right now. So just leave it all mute. Okay, the sound will be coming from the video. So we are almost ready to stream, guys. Okay, only what you need to do now, let's say if you close this one and reopen it, you need to copy the key again, guys. Okay, so always make sure before you start streaming, go to settings. Okay, stream. Okay, and make sure your stream key is still the same, V84A, V84A, so you will be fine. If you have a wrong streaming key, it will not find your web page, guys. It's very important. If you want to stream into the group, if you not stream to the page, they have a different keys. So every time, guys, you have to open here the page you going to be streaming to and grab the key. Okay. So now what we can do is we can start streaming. We'll flip it to the picture. It will take a little bit to synchronize. Sometimes Facebook does not want to update this page, guys. If this happened, don't worry about it. It will go through even if you don't see the preview here. The preview, sometimes the Facebook pages are a little bit finicky. So just trust it, it will be fine. You can put whatever you want here. Okay, say something. So as you say, if you want there you go. Okay, if you guys want to put some emoji there, feel free. Hopefully to get my emoji icons here. It doesn't want to do overlay. Looks like for the streaming. There we go. Takes a little bit probably. True. Go. Okay, title if you want, and that doesn't necessarily need to be there. Okay, and you go live, and you go live. As soon as you go live, you can flip the video, and there you go. Okay, now video is playing. As I said, don't worry about if this one doesn't update right away. I will open another Facebook page. As you can see, I'm running live here. Okay guys, so this is how you actually run live videos on Facebook, and you don't have to be live, you can pre-record them. Very simple, very easy with a free software. I want to close this one only, there you go. Okay, as you can see, people jumping on, so you can see it's live. Okay. I'll let them run a little bit. When you're done, just hit end live video, and it will end. I can end it now. And we're done screaming. End, and you're done. Either you can delete when you're done. You would be done. In this case, I'm gonna delete the video. I don't wanna leave it there, so I'm gonna delete it. I already have it there, so cool, guys. So this is how you can stream pre-recorded videos and be a hero as you're making your own lives. See you guys. Hope this will help. Oh, stop streaming. And then exit. See you guys.